Okay guys, so it is day 2 of the 2019 soybean harvest. We got the rest of where I filmed this video done today. While I was at work, no man got the rest of the beans cut over there, and now we're in a different field today. The farm that we were in the last video, they averaged 64 bushels and some change, according to what Dad said. So they averaged just a little bit better than what the grain monitor said, but it wasn't by much. Right now, the beans that we're cutting right now are averaging 56.5, running about 12% moisture. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. Wasn't really a whole lot to record other than just me being in the combine. But today we don't have a grain cart operator, so get some footage of me dumping on the truck, and got the auto steer running today. So we'll keep on going and see how today turns out to be. Haven't done anything about the buzzer yet, guys, and probably won't. Alright guys, so that wraps up this field. Excuse me. Overall, monitor says 56.8 was the average. I think they went a little bit better than that, but that does it for this field. We're gonna go ahead and get the beans off the combine here into the grain cart, and then we're gonna move over to the next field. Alright guys, so I apologize for ending this video this way. I was planning on getting some more footage after I left you guys in the previous scene, but the only thing that we did that night was we moved equipment and we opened up the field and got the grain cart full, and that was about it. Just didn't have any time to grab the phone and record anything after we got to the second field. But just to kind of give you guys a little update on how things are going, we finished up the 120 acres that we had to cut, and now we are at a standstill. We don't have anything else that is ready yet, so there's going to be a little bit of a delay as far as videos go for farm work in the field, but I do plan on doing some topic of the day videos. But as of right now, everything is in the barn for now. Dad's at the elevator right now, getting the last load of beans put in the bins at the elevator, and I just got off of work. I gave him a buzz, and he said that me and my sister got the field, him and the sister got the field wrapped up, and so there was nothing for me to do today except for come home and meet everybody here. So everything is back here in the shop, and all we can do now is just wait until things start to change and see what goes on. I don't know if we'll switch over to corn or if we'll continue cutting more beans. Only time will tell. So the corn around the house is starting to turn a little bit for the most part. There is a couple spots where there is some green still in the corn, but again, only time will tell, and we'll just have to go from here on out and see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I apologize for ending a video this way, but just didn't have anything to record after we left the field that I was in. So we'll see you guys on the next upload. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have a quick minute, please hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with what's going on here on the farm. So until next time, I hope all is well, and we will see you on the next episode.